Hello, welcome to the Career Flex. My name is Ganesh. So this video is for those people who want to prepare their GRE quant and their math is weak. Like for example, biology student or commerce student. Most of the student in the GRE set, they have engineering background or they have a very strong math. But there are a lot of large proportion of the student, their math background is not good or they are not major in math. So in this video all the doubts of those students will be cleared and how to prepare one section so they can score 360 plus. Yes, it is achievable. Even I have heard that many of the commerce students score 165 plus in their first attempt only. So without any wasting any time, let's get started. For GRE preparation, there are approximately 31-32 quant topic. Like I'll show in my this image. As you can see, there are 1 to 32 topics. This includes simplification, word problems, problem of age, set theory, and many more. And like these topics like permutation and combination, probability stats, they are very high level problems. So you have if you want to score 365 plus, so you have to these probability and PNN stats and standard deviation problem mode, because this will absolutely challenge your mathematical skill. All the problems above these topics are very easy and you can master these topics in 15 to 20 days. But for the topics like permutation, combination, probability stats, in standard deviation graphs, data interpretations, these are very high skill mathematics problems and you need to practice very lot. So for that, the first steps you should take to start preparing: on the blank sheet write these all topics. Make a list of all these topics here in the video and make a column and row like this, same only for the class, sheet, alpha, Manhattan, Nova. I have, for my practice, I have taken all these problem from my classes, my YouTube class, the sheets which I download from the internet. There is a book called Alpha Book and Manhattan and Nova. So for you, I will say that make a list of this topic, divide into 3 part. First is class, second is Manhattan 5LB, and third is Nova. Like, what is the class? Class is like same as YouTube class. For example, if you want to learn percentage, then download any video of 2 to 3 hours on the topic of percentage from basic to medium, because a percentage is a very basic topic and you will get to know what are the formulas, what are the tips and tricks used by various people in the percentage. After watching the class, practicing all the example on that class, you can download from any YouTube channel, right? After doing that, start doing a Nova. So for Nova is a very good book for anybody who wants to prepare their basic of GRE, right? So Nova book is like a diagnostic test for you, because they have a very good problem. Their tips and tricks are very much used by all the students. So for the, for example, if you want to prepare percentage, let's go to the page number 330. Right, this is problems on percentage. What are the things and how do you have to solve? What is the percentage meaning and how to convert in decimal, how to convert in fraction, and all the things. And also these are the standard percentage, right? You have to learn, you have to by heart. By practicing you will get by hearted by that what is 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 5, right? After doing above things, practice all these example. There are approximately 10 to 20 example, right? Practice all the example. First of all, how to practice these example? This example should not practice by just looking at this PDF. You have to solve the example. Don't look at the solution. Just by reading the question, you have to solve the problem. After that, there are the problem divided into easy, medium and hard ones. Practice these all the problem. I think there will be not more than 30 or 40 problems in any of the topic. Yeah, there are only 34 problems. This will be a very easy way to test your formulas or test your basics, right? After doing this NOVA, the next book will be Manhattan 5 LB. It's a very universal book for everybody who want to prepare their GRE exam. So like if you solve all the problems of the percentage from the NOVA, then the next thing you will solve percentage, the same topic from the from the 5 LB. For example, let's go to the percentage topic and try to solve these problems, right? For example, if you want to solve the second problem, the word problem, don't look at the option. This will definitely hinder your focus while solving any question. When I solve any question, if there is a percentage question or any other question, if there is an option is given, I don't look at the option, because they will lose your, in this way you will lose your focus from the question. I think there will be around 100 question, right? So try to solve both the NOVA and Manhattan book. First of all, don't purchase any book. Try to download all the books, new edition from the internet. Don't download old edition, because they are in old patterns and the GRE has not asking those types of the question nowadays. Try to download all the books from new edition. After solving percentage from the both NOVA and Manhattan and taking class, then tick all the things you have done: class, Manhattan and NOVA. These three will be done, and after that you will solve percentage and loss, mixture and negation, data integration, relation proportion. Try to solve all the topics and mark all the topics which will be we will complete, right? After doing all the 32 topics, then next step is very important step. Again, try to do Manhattan 5 LB. You have to do Manhattan 5 LB at least 2 times. On the, if after completing 1 times Manhattan 5 LB, the next time you will try to calculate the time for questions you are taking. For example, for the percentage there are approximately 79 questions, so you have to take approximately 90 minutes or 90 to 80 minutes to solve all the questions, right? In the same way, if there is 100 question, try to take a time approximately 2 hours or 120 minutes. Don't exceed the times limit. In this way you will able to manage your time in the real exam also. And for the data interpretation, for example, if there is a graph, and let's go to data interpretation topic, right? For example, if there is a graph and if you want to solve that graph, right? Look at there is a graph, mean number of the days with the minimum temperature and mean of the number of days with the maximum temperature, and there are approximately 9 to 12 questions. There are approximately 4 to 5 questions will be in any graph. So for that you will take approximately 1.5 minutes more, like for example, because this question you have to look at the graph every time, and this will increase your time, right? These are the things you should keep in mind before solving Manhattan. After doing all the things, Manhattan, taking class Nova Manhattan, the next step is download this book, the official GRE quantitative reasoning practice question. This is a very good book and it is official book by ets.com. And after solving all the things, try to official test like a real exam. You have to manage your time, you have to sustain the pressure while solving the book, and in this way you will know where you will stand in time management and the number of the question you are solving, right? So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please do comment, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel Career Flex. So bye bye.